I'm going to do a quick review of this external sound card. It's a really small thing. It's only a little over 3 inches long, a little over 2 inches wide, and not even an inch high. But it does exactly what we needed it to do. So basically the internal sound card for our computer just for some reason stopped working, and we have no idea why. But this thing just plugs in via USB, which is this cable right here, and then it gives you several inputs and outputs for sound, even more than what came standard with the computer. But we just use it for a line in and our headphones. So basically our setup is that we have a computer over here, and the output from this computer goes through the soundboard, which then goes to this computer, to the line in. So let me just show you a quick demonstration of how this works. If I hit record, obviously nothing's playing right now, but then if I go over to this computer and hit play, you can hear music, and it is recording on this computer. So that is exactly what we wanted it to do. Then of course, if I hit stop, it stops recording over there. So I can stop this, and now I can play from here, and you should be able to hear the output on these headphones. One thing you might need to do is make sure that you adjust the inputs and outputs in whatever program you're using. Just fiddle with them until they're right. Mine's labeled as USB sound device. USB sound device. So that's basically it. Works great for us. Does exactly what we wanted it to do. And if we ever need them, we have additional inputs. So that's useful. If your sound card on your computer went out, or you just need additional inputs, I recommend it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.